Hey guys, here's another small block Mopar coming at you. This one here is for Ted and it's going in his Cordoba. Basically it's a 86 360 block, board 60 over. I use sealed power 405P pistons in it. With these 586 heads it works out to 8.7 to 1 compression. Of course it's got a new oil pump. It's all rebuilt. The cam that I'm using is a Summit Racing 1789 cam. That cam has 454 lift and advertised 272 duration, and we're using the Edelbrock Performer intake. This engine will have a lot better than the stock 360 for sure. Still put pump gas in it, still make vacuum, and it should work good in that Cordoba of his. Well, let's start it up. I'm just going to hit pause here because I have a hard time starting it holding the phone. She's idling 657. The heat is up to 61 degrees. It might be kind of hard to see with the sun. And we're running at 70 psi oil pressure. So it's not a real radical cam, but it still sounds pretty darn good, I think. I think this engine will work pretty good in this Cordoba. And there's Ted's engine.